Okay, so I need to tell you about the gelatin trick because I've been getting so many compliments on my skin lately, and I'm pretty sure it's all thanks to this simple daily ritual. I mean, I've always been a bit self-conscious about my skin, but since I started incorporating the gelatin trick into my morning routine, I've noticed a real difference. My skin just looks healthier and more radiant. And it's not just my skin, my nails are also stronger and less prone to breaking, which is a total game changer for me. I think what I love most about the gelatin trick is that it's just so easy to do. It's not like I have to spend hours at the gym or follow some complicated diet. I just mix a spoonful of gelatin into my water or tea, and that's it. The gelatin trick does the rest. By doing the gelatin trick every day, I feel like I'm giving my body the tools it needs to glow from the inside out. If you want to learn more about how to get started with the gelatin trick, be sure to check out the link in my description below for a detailed walkthrough. And if you have any questions, jump into the pinned comment where I'll be sharing some of my favorite tips and tricks for making the gelatin trick a part of your daily routine.